Hey guys, Owen here, and today I'm going to be doing a, tutorial on OBS, which is going to be pretty cool. So let's get right into it. I'm just going to open OBS, and here we go. So as you can see, I have OBS. Don't mind all these scenes. I'm going to go through just the whole program. So let's first go to settings. The first one is general. These are my settings. Mine works pretty good with streams. I don't have good internet, but it works pretty well. I've got the theme set to dark, which is pretty good for me. I think it looks nicer. So the output, I haven't done anything on here. Source line, I don't think I've done anything on here except for change it to dark. The next option is stream, which is what this video is mainly for, is how to stream using OBS. What you want to do is go to streaming services. Don't do custom streaming server unless you're a pro. Like, I don't know that much, but streaming services is fine. Pick what you're going to be streaming on. I don't know any of these except for Twitch and YouTube, to be honest. I'm going to do YouTube/YouTube gaming. You can look up a Twitch one if you want. I'm doing for YouTube. Server, there's only 2 for YouTube. Twitch has like a whole bunch, but primary you want, not backup. And then stream key. You will get the stream key from this page right here. It'll be at the very bottom in your video manager or content manager, whatever, right here. Don't show it to anybody because that's like they can stream from your channel then, which you don't want them to do. So don't show it to anybody. That's how you do that. The next thing is output. This I have changed. This is for streaming, this first one, and I watched a video and this is what I changed it to, and it works really well. Encoder, I have X264 in for streaming service encoder settings. Rescale output, I don't have clicked because I want it to be this, which we'll get to when we go to videos. Rate control is CBR, not any of the other ones. I think CBR is the original one. Bitrate 2500 or 2500, 2500. Keyframe interval, I haven't done either. It's just at 0. CPU usage preset. This depends on how good your computer is. Mine's a regular laptop. It was like a $1,000 laptop. It's got decent stats, whatever. So I've got mine on faster, which means it uses less CPU. This is like the middle ground right here. So I've got it set just barely above. I've got some hot chocolate. I'm gonna drink a sip. Oh no, I just spilled hot chocolate myself. Whoops. The next thing is profile and tune, which I have none for. The variable frame rate, which I haven't done anything for. Next is recording. I have my recording path, MP4. You want it as MP4 because the base one, the original one, is FLV. Which you don't want because that means you can't upload it to YouTube or use it on YouTube to stream, because YouTube supports MP4 only, which is what videos are. So you want to change it to that. The only downside to MP4s is that they're, as it says right here, unrecoverable if the file cannot be finalized, like power losses and stuff. But it's okay, just make sure your computer has power. That's all you need to know. The next thing is encoder. It's X264 as well. All this is the same. It's all the exact same as streaming. Same here. Everything's exactly the same. Audio, I haven't done anything in here. This one also have advanced. There's also the simple one, but that's what I have. This I haven't done anything except for change the microphone to my Blue Yeti right here. So I was saying we come back to here for the resolution. Right here is the resolution. So you want to find what your computer is. Mine is 1600 by 900, which is usually the like 720p. This is like the middle ground. If you have a better computer, I don't know exactly what it is, but I know it's like 1900 by 1080. I don't know, something like that. The next thing, you want both these to be the same. The next thing is downscale filter. It says right here what they do. Bilinear is the fastest but blurry if it's like loading scaling. Bicubic is the middle ground, sharpen scaling 16 samples. And Langzos is sharpen scaling 32 samples, but you need a better computer for that, so I go for the middle ground. And here you want common, not integrator, fractional, and you want 30 FPS. Not if you're doing gaming, you have a good computer again, which most people don't. You'll want 60 if your computer can handle it, but 30 is good. Like if you're just browsing the internet or doing art like I do. Hotkeys, this is all up to you. I've got recording and stop recording as Control R and Control T, which I don't really use. Advanced, I don't think I've done anything in here either. You can look at this. Just pause here for a second. Okay, you got enough time to pause. That's all that I've done. I haven't done anything there. So, and then right here is obviously to start streaming and start recording. And those, once you start doing them, turn it to stop. So, no need to worry about that. I don't know what studio mode does because this is actually the newer version of OBS. You can't download the old version anymore, which is right here. This is the old one. You can't download it anymore, which is really weird. So yeah, it's the newer version. Scenes, you can do a lot of things with scenes, such as if I make a new scene, I can have all these things. So I only really know display capture displays everything. That's what I'm using right now, your whole screen. Game capture, just you could do it for a game. I don't know how that one works exactly. Image, you can put an image and like slide it to the background, because right here where sources is, it's kind of like layers. Slide into the background so you can have a background image if you want your game to be smaller for like a stream or something. Image slideshow, you can have more than one image obviously. Media source, I'm not sure. Scene, I'm not sure. Video capture device would be like a webcam or something to do face cam. Window capture means you can record a certain window. That's what I do with firealpaca, and that's all I know with these. Here you can turn up your mic and audio and stuff and your desktop audio. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need to know. Right here you can see how much it's using. It's using 2% of my CPU because I'm not recording anything. And also, when I'm doing streaming, I record just right here my voice with my Blue Yeti. But when I'm doing videos, like right now, you see I've got Audacity opened right here. So that's what I do for regular videos. Yeah. So thanks for watching. I'll be back in a second for the end card. But see you guys later. Hope this helped somebody. Bye. Hey, so I just said bye and thanks for watching the video, but I'm going to say it again. So thanks for watching the video. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you liked it even more. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.